Are you wondering how to monitor product availability effortlessly and keep track of stock updates without constantly checking websites manually? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how Browse AI can do exactly that for you and how it can be an absolute game changer for your e-commerce strategy. Browse AI is a powerful tool that allows you to automatically monitor product availability on websites by extracting real-time data, so you can focus on what matters. Whether you're managing an online store, involved in market research, or simply want to stay ahead of competitors, this software lets you track inventory levels, prices, and other crucial metrics from any website that supports it. What's even better? You can get started with Browse AI for free by following the first link in the description below. More on that exclusive offer at the end. The key feature of Browse AI is its ability to extract information directly from websites without needing complex coding or technical skills. It works by automating web scraping tasks. No need to worry about writing scripts or dealing with the technical side of data extraction. Simply tell Browse AI the product pages you want to track, and it will take care of the rest. It can monitor products across multiple websites and send you alerts as soon as stock levels change, or when new products are added to the page. What makes Browse AI stand out is its user-friendly interface. You can set up monitoring tasks within minutes by simply pointing and clicking. This makes it incredibly easy for anyone. Whether you're a digital marketer, an entrepreneur, or someone working in a large e-commerce company, to stay on top of product availability without any headaches. With Browse AI, you can monitor product availability for both in-stock and out-of-stock items, and even track pricing changes over time. It's an essential tool for anyone who needs to stay competitive in today's fast-moving digital world. Instead of manually checking product pages over and over, Browse AI will do the heavy lifting for you and notify you whenever there's a significant change. You can set it up to watch multiple products and across various sites, saving you valuable time and allowing you to act quickly when needed. Another great feature is the ability to export the data. This means you can use the extracted information for detailed analysis, whether it's for generating reports, refining your marketing strategy, or just keeping your stock in check. It helps you track stock trends, manage inventory across multiple platforms, and adjust your sales tactics accordingly. Now, as promised, if you follow the link below, you can access Browse AI with an exclusive free trial, allowing you to test out its powerful features with zero commitment. This is a fantastic way to see for yourself how this tool can revolutionize how you monitor product availability. If you're serious about streamlining your e-commerce processes and staying ahead of stock updates without the hassle, Browse AI is a tool you should seriously consider. And remember, you're getting an extended free trial to explore all of Browse AI's capabilities. So if you want to automate the process of checking stock availability, pricing changes, and more, give Browse AI a try through the link in the description below and start saving time today.